So interestingly, when drivers are rolling slowly like this, there's two possible options. One is that they're an experienced driver like this cabbie who's probably just rolling along slowly. Dear oh dear. 54446 LR65VEL. Oh, you might be lucky. Clearly an open phone that he held unusually in landscape mode with Google Maps or something similar open.